Welcome back to Lynn's Kitchen. Guys, if you are my ride or dies, I welcome you back. I thank you. Again, this is a part of my cleaning for the fall. And so we're going to get started with doing my living room today. My main thing was to go ahead and get the couch done and the floor. I'm going to be doing shampooing the floor also. And I've already removed my pillows and my pillow covers. They are washed. And if you are first-time viewers, we thank you for tuning in and viewing. We just ask that you would be a part of this family by hitting the like button, subscribing, guys, hitting those notification buttons, and we do like the fact that we can share. So let's share these videos and also comments. We love to hear your comments this time around. And again, I just want to say thank you for tuning into this channel and being a part of Lynn's Kitchen. And with that, you know what? We're going to get started because I got a lot to do. Yeah, guys, we're getting into this cleaning, and I am using the BISSELL Pro Heat Revolution. It's good for, you know, pet hair, and it was at Walmart for $199. I love it. It does pretty good. It's easy to use. I like the way it cleans. It pulls a lot of dust and, you know, regular dirt or what have you that gets into your material, your upholstery. My husband got this for me too, and I just love the job that it does. Cleans very well if anyone is interested in this particular cleaner. And it is also, like again I said, it's from BISSELL, the BISSELL Pro Heat Revolution. And it's actually for pets, but I'm telling you, this thing, I think you can use it for just about anything, not just for cleaning up pet messes, but you know, it's good on my upholstery. I love it. You see how it's doing, it's so easy, and I love it. I just love it. And that's what I was trying to do in anything that I do. I'm trying to make things easier for my cleaning. And so this was another thing that my husband had gotten me, because beforehand I just used to take a rag with upholstery shampoo, and I would do this by hand, which was very strenuous, but this is so much easier, and it really does absorb and gets the dirt out, dust mite, you know, any type of dust and stains out of my upholstery, and I love it. See how I'm doing? Look at that. Oh, and it feels so good to get this couch clean. It really does. So I'll go ahead and continue to let you see the cleaning part of me doing this couch. Guys, as you can see, this is a very big couch, my L-shaped couch, but it's so comfortable. It can seat a lot of people. The kids love it dearly. When they come over, everybody has their spot and they stretch out on this baby. But when company's not over, this is my baby. And so I mostly stay on the lounging side of this couch. It really helped me, you know, when I was sick. So I love it. I don't regret getting it. It takes up the space in the living room, but I still have space and room, even with as big as this couch is. But yeah, we like to keep this couch as clean as possible because it's such a big couch, you know. And I wasn't able to do this type of cleaning last year when I got sick. So me being able to clean this couch now is a joy to me. That we got it done. And yeah, like again, it takes, it's a lot of work, you know. So yeah, we have to keep her clean and fresh. So yeah, okay. Yeah, we'll be back to letting you just enjoy the cleaning part of it, okay? hi guys, as you can see, I've began to do my my rug right here, and I've already got the pillows back on the couch. I didn't take that part of taping because it was so hard getting these, especially the cushion covers off. It's a certain mechanism that you have to use on them, and it's so difficult getting them on and off. And I just felt like, you know, I didn't want to waste your time with you watching me go through all of that. But as the couch, I hope you like the couch. It looks so wonderful, doesn't it? So we are now doing my rug, and I hope you like this part of it. I love this when it comes to doing the rug. It pulls so much dirt out of this rug, and I love it. I love it. Like I said, it's easier for me to use this. I've had other shampoos which were so hard and difficult for me to move back and forth, but this one really does pull the dirt up and gets the stains. I love this machine also. So again, kudos to my husband for getting this for me. Appreciate anything that he helps me to do that makes my job easier around the house, you know. So when I was younger, I could do this thing like nothing, you know, but as you get older, you do need to find different sources in cleaning that is easier for you. And so I'm trying to, you know, find those different products out there that I can use to make the job a little bit easier for me. So yeah, kudos to him for getting this machine. So I'll let you see the results of this machine. Yeah, here I'm showing you how dirty. See what I pulled up out of that rug? And we're going to finish this rug. We're going to move on to my cleaning. I put my table back here, and I'm going to begin to dust off everything and get my room set up. And you'll be seeing a portion of decorating also. And I love having to clean my glass table, you know. Look at that. Yeah, but you'll be seeing portions of me getting this cleaned off and dusted, and then we'll move into you know, my decorating. And I won't bore you with a lot of dusting, but everything was dusted off in the living room and surrounding the living room. So here we are, starting our decorations in the room, placing our little decorations for the living room. Okay, we moved on to our decorating. And in my decorating, if you ever watch me, I like simple things. I don't like a lot of things, but I like simple things in certain places. Because I'm not the type of person that like to have a lot, but I like to have simple things when I decorate for my home. And so, you know, you won't see me with a lot of things, but you'll see me with, you know, something here, something there when I decorate. And I just like it just simple, okay? So we'll finish. I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, put the rest of the furniture in place. And that's my relaxing chair I got, you guys. I had a beautiful woman that she just gave the chair to us, and I love it for relaxing. And when my son comes over, it seems like that's his favorite spot now, to sit there in that chair. So it's funny to see him, you know, come in now and sit there at this chair. But I'm loving it. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue to finish in here, okay? Enjoy the rest of this video. Hey guys, thank you so much. If you have watched this video up until this part, then I would like for you to go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I hope you have enjoyed this portion of my decorating. And again, this is Lynn's Kitchen, welcoming you to my home and thanking you for being a part of this episode of my video. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time on Lynn's Kitchen.